So here are the different modules throughout the course. Start here is just for basic information, and here's the course syllabus book. So you have to read through all these chapters, and here's the due dates for the sections. So just to show you an example, Module 1, Introduction to Statistics. To achieve the objectives listed above, you have to read the textbook, right? The reading assignment is listed below. Watch or view all videos, which are provided in the book below. Complete the quiz found on Moodle after you read the sections and watch the videos. And complete the homework assignments on MyStatLab. And then complete Module 1 quiz. So basically, what you have to do is this is Chapter 1 resources. You read the textbook, read my lecture notes, and watch my videos, if provided. Read the textbook, lecture notes, and videos, right? This is the resource book. It's what you can use to help you learn the material. Then you go into MyMathLab or MyStatLab, and you complete Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, which correspond to these two chapters. Then, once you complete the homework, you can take this quiz. Once you do all that, you're ready for Module 2. Same thing. Read through the textbook, read the lecture notes, and watch the videos. Complete the homework assignments for Chapter 3 found on MyStatLab. Once you've done all that, you're ready for the quiz. So, Section 1 of Chapter 3. Here's the textbook reading assignment, the lecture notes, the videos. Textbook reading assignment, lecture notes, and videos for Chapter 3, Section 2. Chapter 3, Section 3. Textbook reading assignment, lecture notes, and videos. Right? Go into MyStatLab. Complete all the homework for Chapter 3. Once you do that, you're ready for Module 2 quiz. Once you complete all of Chapter 3, next is your exam. You can click here for information on the exam. Here is a review that's optional for the exam, but this review is required. Then you schedule your test and you're ready to take Test 1. And then the course repeats after that.